Hey, bising lah. Hello guys, good morning. And today, a happy Saturday, okay? Have a great weekend. On the way nak balik kampung kan. Balik kampung kejap. Lama, macam 2 minggu kot tak balik. Sebab have a lot of things to do lah. Another weekend. I just have this fun. I tak rukut. And I think I should, alright. Nak drive. I'm all the way to my kampung. Sekarang balik kampung. So kalau kat sini, ni lah all the way jalan nak balik ke Musang, Kelantan. Can see hutan all the way. Alright, it's time to go. Okay. That's my car over there.